Interesting things to do in Paris. There's never a shortage of interesting things to do in Paris, as there's no dull moment in the city. A Paris travel guide may tend to list dozens of things to do in Paris. Readers may be overwhelmed by the sheer volume of the content. Even then, some interesting things will still be left out. That's why this Paris travel guide will limit itself to a few of the most interesting things, with the hope that you'll be encouraged to continue to explore. Number 1. Scale the Eiffel Tower. In our Paris travel guide, we don't have any more things to say about the world-renowned Eiffel Tower that is known by anyone that has ever been to Paris. The 300-meter tower, which was built for the 1889 World Fair, was initially hated by the Parisians, but now you have to visit this engineering feat early to avoid the lines. Number 2. Explore the Louvre. This museum, seated on thousands of square feet of space, has in it millions of works including the Mona Lisa, Venus de Milo, and just name it. This is the biggest museum in the world, and you'll be naive to think you can see it all in just one day. Number 3. Latin Quarter. The Latin Quarter is a historic area near the Notre Dame, filled with tiny streets that are winding and turning at weird angles. Those streets open into little cafe-lined squares. You'll love it when you wander around in this street, as you'll feel like centuries back in history. Latin Quarter is dotted with plenty of restaurants, bars, and jazz clubs. Number 4. Walk the Champs-Élysées. It'll be more than interesting to walk in this top most famous street in the world, renowned for cinemas, cafes, and luxury specialty shops. No wonder it's a prestigious avenue in Paris, stretching from the Arc de Triomphe to the Louvre. Though busy and expensive, it's a fun place for club hopping at night. Freaks will love to take shots there during the day. Lone photos with plain backgrounds are best taken here very early when the place is utterly deserted. Visit the Palace of Versailles. You need the whole day to spend here if you really want to make your time in Paris count, and if you don't want to skip Marie Antoinette's home to spend some time walking through spacious gardens. This Paris travel guide recommends summer weekends for your visit to the garden, as that's when fountains are set to music. Number 6. Visit the Pantheon. Pantheon is a neoclassical building located in the Latin Quarter. It was originally a church building, but was turned into a final resting place for France's fallen heroes. Visit the place to see the tomb of the likes of Marie Curie, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Victor Hugo, Louis Braille, and Voltaire. You would see the influence and inspiration of the Pantheon in Rome in this impressive building. Number 7. View Paris from Montmartre. At Montmartre, you will have a stunning view of the city, especially its arty cafes, bars, restaurants, and cobblestone streets. You'll also see the only winery, Vins du Clos Montmartre. The city may no longer have some of its old grandeur. It's still a hipper part of Paris. Visit Montmartre to hang out with the folks like Gertrude Stein and Hemingway. Number 8. Take a food tour. You've been told in your Paris travel guide that French food will charm you. The foods will convince you you're in France. However, there's a food mini-class at the Paris by Mouth Company, where you'll be taught about the food. It's a small tour group of 8 tourists where the best of Paris foods will be highlighted for you. You will learn about the history and culture behind those foods. You will probably know the first person to taste the foods too. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell.